This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and that Netflix is updated on your phone. Once done, sign into Netflix on your phone with the account you plan to use on TV. Now open the Netflix app and pick the title you want to watch. This is the first actionable step because you need the content ready before you choose the TV or casting method. Next, decide how you'll connect. If you have a Chromecast or Google TV, tap the cast icon and pick your TV. If you use an iPhone with an Apple TV or AirPlay 2 Smart TV, swipe to Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring or AirPlay, then select the TV. If your TV runs the Netflix app, open it and follow any pairing prompts. Sometimes a code appears on the TV that you enter on your phone to link accounts and authorize playback. Once your phone is linked, tap play and the video should stream on the TV while you control play, pause, and seeking from your phone. This gives you easy remote control. When finished, disconnect by tapping the cast or AirPlay icon and selecting Stop Casting or Disconnect. If it doesn't work, a key troubleshooting tip is to restart your router, phone, and TV. Confirm both devices are on the same network, and sign out then back into Netflix to refresh the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.